Slaves to the coffee cup.
This is a 6th grade lesson, I believe. But I think you can do this down to 5th grade pretty easy. Here we go into a movement canon.
Coffee is not for me. Sing the people wake up with pancakes and there is no story. Sing the people wake up with pancakes and there is no story. Sing the people wake Slaves to the coffee cup, they can't give coffee up.
Now, if you look over here, they also have another kid demo, which is ukulele. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the top where it says highlights.
Ready, go, C-A-F-F-E-E.
Now she'll do this, but then she'll go through solfa.
E-C-T, T-Re, T-Do, T-Do, Re, Do. Mi, mi, so, so, mi, mi, fa, so, fa. Re, re, fa, fa, re, re, mi,
So
re,
that
mi,
is
fa.
there. Also, like I said, you can choose lyrics, whether you just want the lyrics here or whether you want it on notation. Teaching notes is over to the left, which I can't pull over to right now, but I will do that in a little bit. They have concept slides for everything. So like here, I'm showing you a piece of it. Sorry, I don't have it pulled out. There it is. It has the time signature in each one. Talks about this, yada, yada, yada. There it is, written on the grand staff. So you can really see multi uses.